auto-weighing charcoal briquette production line. This is weighing charcoal powder, and that one is for compound type binder, and this is for water or liquid glue. We're using special screw conveyor to load in charcoal powder and binder powder. It's with automatically weighing system, and after it's weighed to the suitable weight, it will drop down to the mixer. Everything is controllable on this control cabinet. So this one is for charcoal powder, this one is for binder, and this one for liquid water. This is 300 kilogram per batch capacity. And this one is ball price for making barbecue charcoal. And nowadays, this type molding of the shape is hot selling. This is dryer trays to put in the electric heat pump dryer. If you're interested to get similar production line, feel free to contact him for solution and quotation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.